can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Chainlink. Over the last 1 year, Chainlink is down 19.6%. Chainlink has seen a 2.2% increase over the last 1 week. Market participants are expecting altcoin season. We look at Chainlink's performance against the US dollar, currently trading at $13 level. How high can we possibly go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Can we rally above where Chainlink was trading in December of 2024 when it got to as high as $32? We also look at Chainlink's performance against Bitcoin, Chainlink's performance against Ethereum, and finally we'll look at Chainlink's market cap, which has rallied to as high as $9 billion. Can Chainlink's market cap continue setting new all-time highs? Can we rally above where we're trading in 2021? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. This is the Chainlink US dollar price chart. On a weekly time frame, Chainlink has been here in the cryptocurrency market since 2017. We saw Chainlink pumping in January of 2018. That pump took Chainlink to $1.4, and we saw the dump that scared many participants out. Chainlink dumped to as low as $0.16. But guys, if you believe in the long-term future of Chainlink, if you bought the dip, if you bought Chainlink when it was down low, you got rewarded, because if you buy low, you can sell high. We saw Chainlink rallying aggressively, and by 2021, when Chainlink got to the $51 level, Chainlink was already up 31,000%, which meant $1,000 invested in Chainlink would have returned over $300,000. That's how that's how very, very explosive these altcoins can go. That's how volatile the altcoin market can be if you can buy the bottom and wait till it gets to the top. But guys, the volatility works in both ways. After Chainlink got to that $50 level, I'm sure a lot of market participants would have thought Chainlink is the future, Chainlink to $100, Chainlink to $1,000. When we're at the top, you see crazy price predictions. But when the market starts dumping, a lot of market participants run away for their dear life. We saw Chainlink dumping in its first full crypto bear market in 2022-2023. Chainlink lost over 90% of its value, which is normal in the altcoin market. Altcoins are known to be very, very volatile. When the market gets bearish, those altcoins dump aggressively to gobbling town. But then, that's when you want to buy them. Just like in 2018 for Chainlink, if you bought some Chainlink in 2022 when we're in the bear market period, we're in the depressive period of the altcoin markets. We saw the altcoin market was going sideways for months on end for over 500 days. That was the most boring time to be in the altcoin market. But guys, that was the best time to accumulate some Chainlink, because since then, we have seen Chainlink make a run for the previous all-time highs. Even though we have not gotten there, Chainlink has gone from the $5 level. First, we got to $21 level in March of 2024. And then we saw a pullback for Chainlink back to $8. And then in December of 2024, Chainlink rallied back to $30, almost the previous all-time highs. But we got rejected at that $30 level. There's a lot of resistance there. Since Chainlink got to $30, we've seen a pullback back to the $13 level. Chainlink is still up 175% from the bear market bottom. I believe the last final rally is ahead of us. I believe we're going to see one final pump where Bitcoin is going to dump into the altcoin market, where a lot of altcoins are going to have exponential gains. And I believe Chainlink is one of those altcoins that easily make an attempt for that $30 level. Maybe we even try to pump to new all-time highs. Maybe Chainlink will rally back to $50. But one thing is sure, there's huge gains for Chainlink in the coming future. You can easily see Chainlink pass that $38 level. The most important place to look out for Chainlink over the next few weeks will be the $38 level. We can get rejected there. We got rejected there way back in 2021 when we were making another attempt to pump to new all-time highs. So that will be one level to watch out for, $38. Chainlink will have to rally more than 150% from where we're currently trading to get there. The altcoin market has seen renewed optimism return over the last 1 month. Even though we saw huge liquidations in the last few days, I still believe the rally is still on. I believe Chainlink will be one of the biggest gainers. Chainlink's market cap sitting at around $9 billion. Chainlink's fully diluted market cap sitting at around $13 billion. Chainlink's all-time high came in way back in 2021, traded for as high as $52. If you want to get some Chainlink for yourself, guys, you can get some Chainlink on Binance, on Uniswap, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, and anywhere you get popular altcoins, you can get some Chainlink right there. Founded in 2017, Chainlink is a blockchain abstraction layer that enables universally connected smart contracts. Through a centralized Oracle network, Chainlink allows blockchain to securely interact with external data feeds, events, payment method, providing the critical off-chain information needed by complex smart contracts to become the dominant form of digital payments. And if you look at Chainlink's performance against Bitcoin, it's been nothing to write home about since 2021. It's been straight dumb to Goblin Town. Every rally has been faded. Every rally which market participants thought was the start of new alt season has led deep down to Goblin Town, and it's been a tale of two sides. We've seen Chainlink pump to the moon against Bitcoin from November 2017 till the rally ended in August of 2020. Chainlink rallied hard against Bitcoin by 145x, which meant one Bitcoin invested in Chainlink would have given you 145 Bitcoins at the top. But guys, volatility works in both ways. After Chainlink rallied hard against Bitcoin, since August of 2020, it's been the other side of the story. Chainlink has been dumping against Bitcoin. We've had some rallies here and there, but those rallies eventually ended up with Chainlink setting lower lows. And since then, Chainlink has lost 92% of its value over the last 1,764 days. At some point in time, the trend will reverse. I believe Chainlink still has one pump to do against Bitcoin. Historically, the bull market ends with altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. I don't think this time is different. I believe we'll see that rally, even though we might not set new all-time highs, even though we might get rejected at this strong resistance level. But for us to even get to those resistance level, Chainlink would have given us about a 200% pump. And 200% pump in these market conditions are something to write home about. If you look at Chainlink's performance against Ethereum, similar price action, Chainlink has been dumping against Ethereum since the top came in for Chainlink in 2021. Before that top came in, Chainlink had a time of his life against Ethereum, outperforming Ethereum by a lot, outperforming Ethereum by over 12,000%. So even though we might not see those kind of gains for Chainlink again, even though Chainlink has been dumping since August 2020 when it set new all-time highs against Ethereum, we've seen Chainlink lose 93% of its value. It started this whole rally that we're in June of 2023, but that rally has not seen us set new all-time highs. But I believe we're getting close to that market cycle where we might see Chainlink break to new cycle highs against Ethereum. Even though we might not set new all-time highs, we might see substantial gain for Chainlink against Ethereum at the end of the cycle. Now, if you look at Chainlink's market cap, guys, there's a very high chance we might get to new all-time highs. Chainlink's market cap all-time high sits at the $21 billion level. In December of 2024, we saw Chainlink's market cap getting to as high as $18.9 billion. For us to get to new all-time highs when we're currently trading, we need to see Chainlink's market cap pump by more than 136%. And that can happen very, very quickly. That can happen in a week. That can happen in a few days. That's how volatile the altcoin market can be. But one thing is sure, guys, you want to buy low, you want to sell high, you want to buy when there's fear in the market, and when greed returns to the market, when you hear talks of alt season, when you hear talks of how we're going to the moon, how this time is different, that's where you want to sell for some sweet profit. So guys, drop it us in the comment section. Are you buying more Chainlink right now? Where are you going to be selling for some sweet profit? How high do you think Chainlink can go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing can pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.